Today I'm going to show you how to make these charm necklaces. So my daughter wanted to make these cute charm necklaces to give to her girlfriends as Christmas presents. But I also thought that one, you could make them just for yourself, or two, if you have a daughter who was going to have some type of birthday party or celebration, where you needed like a craft idea, this would make an awesome craft for girls to make. So basically, to get started, all the supplies that we ordered were from Amazon. We ordered a packet of 10 necklaces, and they come like this, the chain necklaces. We ordered, you would really only have to order this. This was 750 piece, and it comes with some enamel charms, it comes with silver charms, and it comes with two types of gold charms. And they're really nice. These are the larger ones. They have some smaller ones. They're enamel. They come in all different things, from hearts. You'll see on here, you know, we have anything from like a cow to cherries to princess. There were keys in there, musical notes. It was such a nice selection of different charms. So you'd really only have to buy that to be able to make all this. The only addition we did was she wanted to put everybody's initial. So we ordered a pack of initials, which came with cursive, plain, and then the circle ones. So she used these in the middle to give every girl their initial. The nice thing about this packet is it does come with the loops that you need to connect your jewelry. So everything you needed is right here. So the only additional thing that you would need would be a pair of needle nose pliers. I like to work with two. It works the best that way. So to get started, all we did was we lined up the different charms that we wanted to use. And the first step is to find the middle. So it's the debate. We had the debate as to whether to put it to the end and find the middle. But what we finally decided to do was to do it from the end of the links. Find your middle piece, and that's where you're going to put your middle charm. So if you put your charms in order, your middle charm is the charm that we started with. So we're going to add the middle charm to the middle link. Now, the best way to do this is to set your charm bracelet out flat on the table, and don't move it when you're adding your charms. Try to keep it exactly the way it is. That way you'll be sure to not twist or turn any, and it's easy to count your links out to add your charms. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get one of the loops, and you're going to, for the silver ones, I put a silver loop on, and for the gold ones, I used a gold loop. So you basically get one loop out, and you're going to hold it in your hand like this, and you're just going to add it to the charm. Whoops. Of course, as soon as I'm filming, it tends to give me a problem. So you're going to add the loop, and then you're going to add your charm, and be careful to keep it facing forward. So you just put it, your charm, through the loop, and then you're going to clamp it closed with your needle nose pliers. Now what I did was I closed them all first, and then I went back and made sure that they were evenly closed and secured. So once you've added your first one, then you're just going to count over. Now, some people skipped one and added it. We decided to skip 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then add 1. And we just liked the spacing of that. We felt that it was, it showed the charms off better. So leaving your necklace on the table, is the easiest thing. And then again, you're just going to add your charm to the loop, and then you're just going to take your needle nose and pinch it together. And like I said, on my initial pinch, you'll see how it may not be completely closed, but then what I do is I go back over it and make sure that they're nice and neatly closed. But I like to get all the charms on first. I think it works better that way. And it allows you to keep all your charms straight and in the front. So you're just going to keep working over, skip 3 more, add another charm until you get to the end of this side, and then work your way to the other side. And then your necklace is done. So the necklace doesn't take long at all to actually make. I think it was more time consuming just picking out the different charms and the patterns that you want to go with. But it's a really, really fun project. And I thought they all turned out really cute, and they're very personalized to each of her girlfriends. So if this is your first time watching, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.